Hi, this video is meant to help you copy the Bethlehem Area School District course templates to a course shell. The district has created course templates or pre-designed folder structures that you may use to copy to your courses to assist you with the structuring of your course. The directions I'll be going over here will assist you with locating the course template group and copying these items into the course. So you need to do two things, or have two things. One, you need to have a course. Specifically, you need to have a course where you're a course admin, or that means that you have the authority to make changes in the course. And if you go to your course menu and look to see if you have any courses, check to see if you have a little crown by the course. That means that you're a course admin in your course. You can't copy anything from the groups into courses that you are not a course admin or like a student would be. Secondly, you need access to the BASD Schoology templates group. So basically, here are the steps. So first, when you become a member of this templates group, you want to go into the group and you're going to locate these resources. So in a group, resources is where the contents of these templates will be. So click on resources. And then here are some courses that are being worked on. This may be different by the time you watch this video, but there should be a BASD course template there. You may want to look at the template to make sure it's the right one that you want. In the case of having a course, you could, find something that you want to copy over. So in this case, I want to copy over this BASD secondary course template. And so you want to click inside of the template so you can see all of the contents. And right now it's got some instructions on how to use it, orientation for students, class info, folder to help you get that situated, a unit folder and how unit folders can be utilized. There might be other folders in here by the time you get to this template. There's a folder for final exam. This actually would be hidden once you put it in a course, as well as the teacher materials and course evaluation. So we're going to start copying over the contents. So you're going to go to the item you want to copy. In this case, it's how to use this template. You're going to click on the cogwheel and you're going to choose the first item, add to course. And I only have one course where I can add it, but if you have more than one course, it will be listed here. Then, I don't really have any folders in here, but I would encourage you to leave this at none when you're doing this course template. That way it just goes in it's going to look exactly like it does here in this group. So again, put a check mark by the course that you want it to go, and leave it at the none where it says folder. Click on add, and then you get a banner saying the template was added. Okay, so let's go take a look. So I'm going to go to the course. It was this thing right here. It was using Twitter because I have a little crown there. I'm going to select it, and there it is. There is the item that you just copied. So you may want to do that once to make sure that it went over, but then go back to the group, resources, go into the template, and then go to the next folder. So I'm going to copy the student Schoology orientation materials, add to course, select none. So when you say none, it's just going to go in here loose. Okay, it's not going to go in a folder anywhere. And I'm going to keep going. So do this. In the case if this is your first time, you want to do this with all the items so you get the benefit of this course template. You can always get rid of items that you don't use. And then I'm almost done here. There aren't too many items in here. The template should be pretty small. The fully online courses may have a little bit more. So one thing I will mention is that anything inside this folder, when you copy it, will be copied over. So you could have a folder inside of here and it should copy over fully to your course. The last step that you want to do when you copy these templates or these courses or course content into your course, you want to make sure that the folders that should be visible are visible and folders that should be hidden are hidden, especially if you expect students to start to access your course soon. So in this case, the template has a couple of hidden folders that you probably may want to hide if you're not using them. If you put some content in here that maybe they shouldn't see the final exam or they shouldn't see the answer keys. And the way to make this hidden is to go to the cogwheel next to the item and hide this folders in the title of it. to give you another hint that maybe you should hide it, you're going to go to Edit after you click on that cogwheel. And then you will change the availability to hidden. So right now it's visible to students. When you click on the hidden, it will be hidden. And there are actually some, after a start date or during a date range. I'm just going to hide it and then click on Save Changes. And notice this did two things. It muted the color of the folder. So that's one way for you to know that it's hidden. Also, it put this hidden here. And that means that students can't see this folder. It's like it's not even there. However, you, as a course admin who have these teacher privileges to make changes, you'll see hidden folders and you'll be able to add items to it and change it. But students just won't even see it. So you probably want to do that on all the items that should be hidden before students start accessing your course. And that's it. That's how to copy the Bethlehem Area School District course templates to a course shell.